Should work. I don't see any bugs yet. Oops. And there we go. Hi. Welcome to week 1, 2, 3. You big boy. Of Devlog. Big week for Joe and I. Starting school back up. Joe, he's not doing anything, so don't feel bad for him. This week we're gonna try to set up the foundation for making the map interactable. So I'm using the Trello board this week, which is a good first step and should hopefully, keep me more organized than last week. So the two goals for this week are the interactable map layer and the mouse. When you hover over an interactable item, the mouse will outline it. So currently, all the tiles are spawned using the grid and tile map system provided by Unity. This is great for creating the ground, but it doesn't seem like it's going to work with interactable items such as mountains, trees, rock, and all these interactable type of items. So my plan is to create my own system that will keep track of what interactable item is at what location. I forgot to start recording. Oopsie doopsie. Okay, so this should spawn the mountains again, and they should have colliders, so we shouldn't be able to walk into them anymore. Yep, that's what I was worried about. A whole bunch of objects right here got spawned. Okay, now let's go look for some mountains. Here we go. So now see how they're lined up, and can't walk into them. They now act like real mountains. Good to go. Good move. Big gamer move. We go over to Trello. The interactable map layer seems to be good to go. So I want to create a visual cue using the mouse so that when the player hovers over an object that you can interact with, it'll highlight it or outline it. So the first thing I needed to do was to see if there's even an interactable object at the location your mouse is at. Then once you do that check, you can pretty much just outline that object or turn on some type of highlighter. Nothing. False. So I need to do some checking. It doesn't seem to be recording it. Where the mountains at? Here we go. So 22, 2. Yep. So see, there is an object here. Oh, I'm not adding it. That's why it's not working. Is because I'm not adding it to the. There you go, everyone. That's why. It's because I never did it. False. True. So it is working now, see? True, false. Yep, so it's behaving exactly as we want. It's detecting if there's an interactable there, which is the first step for us to be able to outline this object. Garrett's trying to get into the video this week, so...
See that thing banging, dude? That thing's banging.
Can't make a wife out of a hoe.
Should work. I don't see any bugs yet. Oops. And there we go. What did you expect? Did we think it was gonna work on the first try? Not a chance. It worked. Look at that. It lit it up. Oh, but it doesn't. Let's go! Look at that! Yeah, baby, look at that! Let's go, baby! Bada bing, bada boom, we're good to go. Dude! As far as today goes, that's huge. So now, to randomly spawn the player, I automatically prevent the player from spawning on the outside of the map. This is represented as the red section in this picture. The green area is where the player will spawn, and to do this, I just randomly select a location in the green area, check if it's a dirt, and if it is, the player spawns there. First time magic, baby? What do we think? What are we thinking? First time? Oh, baby! We are not at 0-0. Look at that. Damn, first time magic. Alright, let's see. Over here now, my dude. It's working. Yep. Not too shabby. That's gonna be it for this week. Honestly, pretty productive considering school started back up and I actually did have a little bit of stuff that I needed to get done. I'm only working on this about 3 hours a week. I'm still managing to make a lot of progress, which is good. 3 weeks in, we're still going strong, so that's a good sign. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to absolutely destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Share this video with your friend, and maybe even consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and have a good one. Uh-oh, Joe.